Hello everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make a play-doh Halloween jack-o'-lantern. Cool, huh? He looks great! And so easy. All you need is green play-doh, light orange play-doh, black play-doh, dark orange play-doh, a play-doh knife, and a play-doh rolling pin. First we're going to take our light orange play-doh and we're going to roll it into a thick sausage. We're then going to cut it into 3 different sections, like so. We're going to do exactly the same thing with our dark orange play-doh. It's kind of like cutting up a carrot. So then we're going to alternate the orange pieces together, like so. This is to make sure that our jack-o'-lantern has got texture. Once they're sitting together, you want to smooth down the edges into the shape of your jack-o'-lantern. Now use your rolling pin to mold them together. Set that aside. We're now going to take our green play-doh. We want 2 little bits. We're going to use one and turn it into a sausage. And we're going to turn the other into a ball. This is going to be our leaf, so use your knife to shape it. Add detail as well. Then stick it on the end. Now we've got a stalk and a leaf. Gosh, it's looking good already. Now you want to take your black play-doh and roll it out with your rolling pin. This is for the detail. We want a square, so we can cut it in half. Now we have 2 eyes, like so. Take the rest and roll it flat. We're now going to make the mouth. Cut out the detail using your play-doh knife. It's looking creepy already. And now we get to lay the detail onto our jack-o'-lantern. Smooth down any rough edges. Nearly finished. Doesn't he look great? And there you have it. Perfect for Halloween. A play-doh Halloween jack-o'-lantern. Thank you for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. Bye!